The target today is for this car to start. But 2014 Nissan 370Z. Client asked for Coil Packs only. I suggested Coil Packs and spark plugs. They accepted. Didn't hear from them. Found a cheaper price online. They liked it. Said they'd go that way. And then 2 days later, after not hearing from him, he turns up and says, I purchased spark plugs and Coil Packs. Okay, fine. So now we are finally at the appointment and we're going to see what happens. He believes it won't run because of spark plugs and Coil Packs. If that's still going constantly, then that's going to kill his battery. And that could probably be why the car won't start. Can you hear it? But we'll see. Yeah. I'm gonna say it's not spark plugs and Coil Pack, but that's what the client wants. That's what the client gets. Spark plugs are out. And the new ones are going in. We have an Autolite XP with 5 Denzos. And we're just going to double check, make sure they are all the same. Denso plugs, which they are. You can tell that they are extremely old because they have flow box. And then this one actually had a new Coil Pack on it, so they did a Coil Pack and 1 spark plug. I never suggest that you only change 1 plug. That's a great way for it to not run correctly because these don't all fire the same. New spark plugs and Coil Packs are in, and as you saw, well, it had 1 new coil and new spark plug. It did not match, and about to start it. We still have some lovely noise coming from the driver door. We're gonna see if it'll start. My guess is it will not, but we'll see. We got nothing. No start. I'm hooking a jump box up to it. See if the battery is dead because of the door switch making noise over here constantly as you open the door. Are we good? Jump box good? Oh, I did. We got nothing. Yep, nothing. It was completely dead, and the door was still making noise. That one over there. I'm gonna jump box up real quick. We'll see if we get juice. Door's back to making noise. We got a little bit of juice. All right. We have fuel pump. It's seen its better days. Old Duralast Gold, I think maybe a 1 year. Let's go see. Oh, Duralast Platinum. Still no start though. Car's running. But that's only because we let it sit with the jump box for 10 months or so. We'll see if it does again. Definitely the battery. So, diag for us is over. We'll see what this kid wants to do. But for right now, he needs a battery. Alright, we advised the client that it needed a battery, and now we're going to test it. So on. She starts. No clicking from the door switch over here, currently. H.A.M Racing.